I'm going to read the first half of our story, Biblioburrow. You're going to meet our main character, Lewis. I want you to think of 3 things Lewis is doing to help his community. I'm going to give you a list of 3 things, and you're going to put them in order from beginning to end of where I leave off of the story. We're only going to read a little bit of it, so just think about what's happening in the first half. How is he helping? And think of the order from beginning, first, next, and last. Deep in the jungles of Colombia, there lives a man who loves books. His name is Lewis. As soon as he reads one book, he brings home another. Soon, the house is filled with books. His wife, Diana, grumbles. That means she gets very mad. What are we going to do? Eat books with our rice? Lewis thinks long and hard. At last, an idea pops into his head. I can bring my books into the faraway hills to share with those who have none. One burro could carry books, and another burro could carry me and some more books. Here are the burros. They look like little horses or donkeys, but they're called burros. Lewis buys 2 sturdy little burros. That means they're very strong. He names them Alpha and Beta. He builds crates to hang on their backs and paints signs, Biblioburrow, the Burrow Library. Then Diana fills the crates with books. Every week, Lewis and Alpha and Beta set off across the countryside to faraway villages in the lonely hills. This week, they travel to El Tormento. When the sun burns high in the sky, Lewis and the burros stop at a stream to drink cold water. After they have their fill, Beto bulks. That means he's very scared. He doesn't want to go across the stream. Lewis pulls and pulls on Beto's reins, but Beto won't budge. The children are waiting for us, says Lewis. At last, the burro gives in and steps across the stream. The Biblioburrow continues on its way over the hills until at last Lewis sees houses below. The children of El Tormento run to meet him. Let's stop right there. Now I want you to think of what Lewis is doing to help other people in his community or children in his community with his books. We're going to put events in order from beginning to end.